On today's video, we'll look at the current oil price. Oil price reached the price target of $0. Yes, $0. And what does this mean for the Bitcoin price in the near future? Stay tuned and find out. We'll be also taking a look at the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin price is currently consolidating sideways. We don't know if the Bitcoin price is setting up for a big move or is it setting up for a bearish move. We'll find out, so stay tuned. We're also looking at an article about the Ripple CEO. The Ripple CEO is currently going to sue YouTube for their scams. And what could this mean for the Bitcoin price? Will this be a bullish scenario or could this be a bearish scenario? Because maybe this might affect the YouTube community. So stay tuned and let's roll the cameras. So I hope you're having a good day. This is me, Digital Digits, bringing a weekly video on Bitcoin. So what I have right here is the oil chart, and the oil chart has been dumping down to its low price points of $0. Yes, $0. The oil price was at $0 in the past few days. From the 1st of January, the oil price plunged to $0. If you measure the move, we'll measure it. So if you use this tool to measure how low did the oil price go, the oil price reached a price target of or a percentage downwards plunge of 100%. This is a very big move, and this move could shape the oil price and could indicate that financial depression is coming. This is a form of deflation. Prices can't reach a price target of $0. Oil is a very key energy supply product that all countries use today. So these are unprecedented times. These are times with uncertainty. These are very scary times. And as you can see here, this is not a normal price chart because this price chart has been falling to its very low levels. So what does this mean for the Bitcoin price? So let's look at the Bitcoin charts and see what we have. So this is the current Bitcoin chart, and the Bitcoin chart has been trading sideways. Bitcoin has been bouncing from support and resistance from this blue zone that we have here, and currently now Bitcoin is trending sideways. But what I see here that is very bearish is the lower highs, because this high right here and this high right here is lower, and maybe this could be a bearish sign that maybe the Bitcoin price is still gonna go to the 5k levels, because I did mention that Bitcoin could go to the 5k levels once again. But currently now Bitcoin is pumping a little bit and is testing this blue line. This blue line is the line where a lot of traders have been accumulating the Bitcoin price. This line or this level holds a lot of significance for the Bitcoin price. But if Bitcoin closes above the last higher high, then I'll be bullish. Maybe the Bitcoin price could now head to the 8k levels. But now let's look at another chart that I have with a similar price action. So this is the daily chart. It currently shows the levels which Bitcoin needs to break to show more of a bullish price action. But currently now I think Bitcoin is going to trade sideways like this time where it traded sideways around last year December, because at this level it's where Bitcoin has been consolidating a lot. Even last year it was consolidating a lot of times at around these areas. So we could expect the Bitcoin price maybe to still be in this range for a few more weeks or months, because I currently see that there is no volume. The price is still gonna trade sideways until all of this pandemic problems finish, and the halving is gonna come within a few weeks. But still the Bitcoin price isn't trading for higher prices even till the time of the crash. Bitcoin has been just trading sideways. Maybe Bitcoin is setting up for a move, but this is a perfect time to accumulate Bitcoin. And if you wanna buy Bitcoin, you can just go and buy Bitcoins on Luno. Luno is an easy to use platform to buy Bitcoin, but you have to be 18 to start buying Bitcoins, because they need ID identification so that you don't be breaking the law and doing suspicious activities. So if Bitcoin closes above the 7.5k level, then I'll be bullish. So now let's look at another chart. So on this chart, basically it's these ribbons or moving averages are called exponential moving averages. So these averages are mostly profitable because you can short and long these positions. If the Bitcoin price has a significant break above these ribbons, you can hopefully put a long position or buy position. But if the price closes below this ribbon, that means the price is bearish and the price is heading down and you could short the market. So currently Bitcoin is trading alongside this ribbon. If Bitcoin has a significant break above this EMA ribbon, this could signal a bullish price action that's coming. But if Bitcoin closes below this could show bearish momentum is going to the downside, and Bitcoin could go to very low prices in the near future. So these EMAs, you can get them on TradingView if you wanna look that up. They are really profitable and you can short and long when you use these EMA ribbons. So now let's look at an article of the Ripple CEO and what he has to say. So this article reads that Ripple sues YouTube for allowing scams that promise free XRP. If you have seen recently at YouTube, there's been like scams, live scam videos that these scammers are promising people to send bitcoins and they'll get more bitcoins. But there's also been ones for Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum. They take past similar events and make scams out of these events and tell people that they must deposit their bitcoins, XRP tokens, or Ethereum tokens so they can get more. But actually they are scams, and YouTube hasn't been seeing these scams going on. So that's why he's taking action as the Ripple CEO to sue YouTube. But this could also negatively affect us YouTubers that do crypto videos, because it will also target crypto content creators mostly. And I know he's very angry, and these scams have been going on for a few years. And these scams also affect the algorithm of the crypto YouTube videos, and they could censor other people for the scams that these guys are putting up. So that's why you see a lot of big YouTube channels shutting down, being striked for no reasons, because due to these scams they are targeting the wrong people. And we will see what will happen in the near future, but we don't know what's going to happen. But we'll be always issuing content every Wednesday about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So this is gonna be it for today's video. I won't go into detail with the article and what it says, but if you wanna read this article, I'll drop a link down below in the description if you wanna read it. So this is gonna be it for today's video, and always stay digital.